Hi there, guys. My name is Sydney Vegas. Today I'm going to show you how to do primary oil change on a Harley Davidson. This is my first time, but we hope it should be good. So basically, you need primary oil, fly genuine from Harley. One quart. I've got two of them. Um, you only need one quart. That's what they say. Got the gasket derby cover and the inspection cover, and also the O-ring for the sump nut for the drainage. So let's go. Let's get on and start doing it. Right, there you go. Primary oil's coming out. I left the nut in because I'll be taking it out once we're done. The oil looks pretty clean, but still, I recommend changing it every 2,000 miles or 2,500 miles, depending how you ride. Um, I rode the bike before I do this because it's nice and hot, and it will come out easily, you know. So now go ahead and open the inspection cover. Okay. Pop the gasket off. Uh, you could use these, but I recommend getting a new gasket. It don't cost you a lot, not at all, you know. So best to get a new one when you're buying the oil. Um, Also wipe the residue off. Right, we're going to put a stand underneath it now to make it sit upright so that we get the oil level right in there. And there's a lot of metal filings that's come out onto the magnet, as you can see. So wipe it clean, change the O-ring on there. That would make life easy.
Ah, there it is. I'll find mine off into the trees.
Sure. Good.
There he is.
Post there, is it?
Hold up, yeah.
We go my edit.
Hold on, mate, right.
Post there.
That's done 3 months of the gallon, that gun.
plumber step ay mallo hamaten.
That's the old O-ring. And replace it with the new one. So we'll put a new one on before it goes in. Right, we got to put this back in. That's it. Don't want it too tight. Just there. Right. Let's start filling that. So I'll add a little bit more, because if you see the level in there, it's not quite at that level, so we need to get a little bit more in there so that we get it right. That's it. If you see it in there, you see it right in there. There. That's the level you need to be in. Alright. This is your extra oil. And you're doing your next oil change. So, we need to put the derby cover back on. Before we do that, put a new gasket on there. Alright, so we take the old gasket off. This is a must, you have to change the old gaskets. But with the inspection one, you can leave that on. With this one, you have to change it. The reason you got to change it is because there's quite a lot of pressure built up on these gaskets, and if you change it right, you know, it'll do good to the bike, and you won't have any oil slipping out through it. Right. There we go. I find it hard. Okay, out the postcode. The postcode. I'm gonna try them or not. Right. Am I? I forgot my bottle at home today.
Look at that, it's fucking clean.
Yeah. I like to keep it clean.
Nice.
Thanks, Scott.
Very nice of motorcycle, very good.
Right, we put a new derby cover gasket on this, so it goes in like that, and then that goes in like that.
कितने बंद होते
Half 5.
same time
No, not always. Just Saturdays. Half 5.
6:30
6 o'clock. Even these not too tight. Not. That's it. That's it. Tight enough. That's it. The primary oil change is done. Primary oil change is done.
It's not a survey, it's a check over, isn't it? Yeah. This one is 10 o'clock.
One more oil. Huh? Okay.
So that's it, guys. Your primary oil change is done. The bottom nut is 16 or 5/8. You need 5/8 fits snug on that. So, and these ones is a 27 to get these ones off. Or you could use the Harley special tools. For that, you need the inspection cover. You need HW4 Allens to take them off, and please change the Derby cover gasket when you do your oil change for the primary oil. A lot of people put a litre in. I say a litre and a little bit from that, maybe 100 ml on top. So that's about it. That's the oil change done. I hope you have fun. You do your own oil changes at home.